but it's a little more of a twist. So we're gonna have our grandma vote, and maybe our grandpa, I'm not sure if they'll, but we're just gonna make some slime that we think they'll like, and then just have them vote once we're done.
Before we start this video, we need you guys to do something. Hit that subscribe button. It'll help you and me.
Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Did you guys do it?
I hope so.
I know.
So let's get to making our slime.
Okay, I need to get some water in my bowl.
Okay, so first I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I got some white glue, magical liquid, then bear with me, I got a lot of stuff. This little container, because you'll see why I got that. I'm gonna make a rainbow and put it in a jar. Then I'm gonna add this really pretty gold glitter. And it's in a bag because I had this one thing I got and it just explodes.
From the donut slime challenge thingies.
Yeah. So we're gonna start making this. What did you get, Keegan?
I got water and clear glue. I did way too much water, guys.
What else did you get?
Oh, I got activator.
Did you know? I thought you got green glue.
Oh no, I put that away.
Oh, he's confusing me, guys. Why are you confusing me? You're just being mean now.
I was like, well, what? What do you want me to say?
So I'll be making, I think, more slime than I need because that container is kind of small. I'll just make some slime and then put it and measure it and then split it. If that made any sense. I would make jiggly slime, but jiggly slime is not.
Look how jiggly this is going to be.
Oh my gosh, that looks like water.
It is water.
I thought I forgot my spoon. How's yours going, Keegan?
Great. I am like, this is not good, guys.
So guys, our grandparents will be voting, and I love them because they're super nice and they're just really nice, and I love them.
They are our home skillets. They're so nice.
They're the homies in the house.
Homies in the house.
They're not actually in our house.
We
but
got
they're
Grandma
homies.
and Papa.
Grandma and Papa? Me and Papa.
No?
We're just gonna... Guys, he needs this. This is not good anymore. But, I mean, like...
Trust me, I got this under control, guys. I think I do, at least.
This looks like chunky milk.
Chunky.
Alright, guys. Mine's coming together very nicely.
It's only like a 3/4. Like, we probably only used like a fourth of it. I looked in there. I'm smart, guys.
Is this fine?
How are you already done, hacker? Hook me up again.
Alright guys, so like our grandparents live in Arizona, so it's kind of hard to see them. We only get to see them like once a year, which is really sad. My tears is how much water Keegan just put in that bowl. Way too much water.
Hey, can you add more? Trust me, I've had this happen before. Kept adding activator, and it turned into the most jiggly slime ever.
Yeah, you just can't use the whole bottle. That's the thing.
Oh.
Alright, guys.
It's actually turning into slime.
Okay.
My favorite thing about Grandma and Grandpa, that Grandpa, he's like so nice and funny, and he's just so funny. And Grandma, she's like so nice and caring, and she's just so nice too.
Yeah, my favorite thing about my grandma and grandpa is first, my grandma makes chip dip. How could I not love her? And she's just nice, and I love her chip dip, and she's nice, and her cookies are amazing. Enough about food, but she's just super nice. And my grandpa, I just love him. He's super funny, and like he always makes jokes out of everything, and it's super fun. So I like him too.
A little more. I'll tell you when.
Okay, Keegan, you've only used like half the bottle almost. Alright guys, so I'm measuring mine right now, and it looks really glossy and nice, and it's kind of jiggly from the activator. I don't know if they put like water in the activator or what, but it's super jiggly. Okay, I'm not gonna add the whole thing. That's good.
That's definitely good. Oh, it's actually turning into slime, I think.
Okay.
I think it's turning in.
Now, that's just extra. I'll make that something. That's the one we'll be testing for texture because I won't be able to mix it because it's beautiful.
I will get this under control.
Oh, that's sticky. Let's just split it in 3 parts. Or how many parts? 6 parts. I did this the other day and it looked so cool, so I'm gonna try it again. Guys, has that ever happened to you? For me, no, but pretty sure for him it happened once, and that's now.
Wait, tell me. Tell me.
Tell you what.
Yes! It's actual slime now.
What do I tell him, guys?
Tell me that my slime is slime.
Your slime is water. Yours just gonna be clear.
Yep. Why? Why can't it?
I never thought you'd just make a clear slime for a video.
Really?
Like, I have a clear slime.
Riley doesn't believe in me, guys.
I believe in him, but do I though actually? Yeah, I sort of believe in him. I didn't think he would actually make one for like a video.
It's actually
There's
slime.
orange in here. No, no,
Guys,
no, no,
it's actually slime.
no. Orange is in here and it's turning brown. If I have to, I will put this back aside and use my extra slime. I think that's what I might have to do. Nope, it looks pretty nice.
This is the greatest slime ever.
If you
It
say
is
that.
so jiggly.
It's not even slime yet.
What do you mean? Riley's a liar.
It's sticky. Like it's slime, but it's not as like gooey as it was, but it's a little sticky. How's yours now?
It's great. Very great. This is like amazing, guys. Wow, I love this.
I'm so excited our grandparents can be in this video because we love them. So it's just really nice.
I'm gonna tell you guys a story. A great story of a man named Papa. He was running in Jackson Hole. He saw a moose. The moose was like, no, you didn't. You just looked at me. And then it like started charging him and my dad. And we were in a new car, so we didn't know how to like unlock it. So my dad got in the car, and then it locked. And then Papa went flying into the car. The best part about when he went flying into the car is he took a photo while he's flying into the car.
Yeah.
Good times.
It also happened a day later with like another animal. I
It's
don't
a
know.
buffalo.
Yeah, a buffalo. It happened another day with a buffalo.
He just gets too close to animals.
And then like they couldn't, like it was a new car, so we couldn't unlock the door. So my dad was just like, how do I unlock this? And
I don't know how to unlock
our
this.
grandpa was like, unlock it. And it was just really funny. But it wasn't funny at the time when we didn't know, like, wait, is he gonna find out how to unlock the car? Like, it wasn't funny at that. And now that we know he's alive, it's really funny. So, like, our grandparents used to live in Colorado really close to us, and we went to church together, and we would just always, like, go to lunch with them to Rib City. Shout out to Rib City. Yum. Like, have you guys, like, this might sound really disgusting, but have you guys tried, like, their Texas toast with, like, putting sour cream and barbecue on it? It's so good, but it sounds disgusting. Like, one of the employees tried it, and they were like, yum, this is actually really good. So,
Yum. I made a jiggly slime, as you guys can see. It looks lovely. Like, look at the jiggles. Did you hear that noise? Amazing.
these are my slimes, and I think they look beautiful. So, if you look to the left, that white slime over there is the one I'll be showing the texture because I don't want to ruin the color of these when it's mixed. Well, I like my slime ready for presentation when our grandparents are. I came in like a wrecking ball!
I have no idea what the rest is.
Yeah, I don't either.
So I'm just gonna scream, I came in like a wrecking ball!
We're calling our Papa and Grandma now. And it might just be our Papa at first, but they're going to go.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Is this Riley Kardashian?
So
Yeah.
we're going to have you guys do your slimes now.
So wait a minute. Is that Keegan Bieber?
See
I thought it
what I
was.
mean, guys?
Huh? Is that you, the Biebs? I can just see our Biebs.
Oh, hi, pretty girl.
Hi, Mima.
How you doing, sweet girl?
Good. You ready to see our slimes?
I am. So tell us, are you making it from scratch or is it already made?
We just made it. Okay, so this is mine.
Whoa, looks like a sherbet.
I made it rainbow.
Oh, it's pretty.
I'd like to eat it.
So I just used white glue and a ton of food coloring.
Wow, but you had to use a bunch of different food colors.
Yeah.
We need to put a spoon in there. Let's eat some of that.
Yeah. We want some chocolate sauce on our ice cream, please.
So I would say that gets pretty high marks because it looks edible.
Okay.
Here is
Whoa!
mine.
Looks like a snowball.
Wow. Now that looks like a slime ball, white, bubbly.
It does.
It looks like you're in the tub.
And that looks like on Ghostbusters. Looks like in Ghostbusters somebody slimed you.
Okay, but there's a few things you got to do. Like you got to show us how it makes a bubble.
Oh, mine can't be bubble. I'll try.
I made a bubble with
Oh,
mine.
look at
Oh,
Riley.
yeah.
That's a nice bubble. Okay, Keegan,
Wow.
mention. Keegan's gonna make a huge bubble.
If he can make
Just
one, it's
wait.
jiggly.
Ah, there's a hole. Hold on.
You get one try, buddy.
This one's gonna be huge. You ready?
It better be. You got a lot of pressure on you, boy.
Whoa.
Nope.
It's like
Ah.
stained glass.
All right, let's see Riley's.
Riley did hers already.
Gotta
Oh, wow. Look
Whoa,
at
very elastic. I give him high marks on
that.
that.
Whoa.
All right, who cut it? Who cut the cheese?
That was Riley's.
I heard that sound like.
Riley!
Yeah, Riley. We said bubble, not that kind of bubble.
This one's gonna be huge.
All right, let's see.
You ain't making any
Ah!
more bubbles.
Whoa!
Ready?
Riley. I think
Wait,
we got
wait,
you.
wait, 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 wait,
What?
wait.
Don't do it.
Ready?
Look at.
Whoa.
Oh, hers looks like a bubble gum.
So how are we gonna rate it? Based off of the look of the slime?
Look.
No, she's a cheater.
No,
We
we
always
always
win.
look.
No, it's texture.
No. They're in Arizona. They can't feel it.
Yeah, but we
look.
can feel
I
it.
know, we can see it.
Yeah, but it's look.
Yeah, but you guys can see it. Ready?
It's look.
And is there any scent in them?
Nope.
No.
No scent?
I forgot. Darn
If
it.
there had scent in there, that would have been more points, I think.
Mine smells good.
And mine can make really good swirls too.
Oh,
We just rate them on the bubble and on looks. What else did you rate them?
yeah. Whatever. Well, what do you guys normally rate them on?
Like poke and stretch.
And looks.
Riley.
Okay.
You're just trying to make it look like it's only texture because you don't want to.
Well, his is really kind of cool looking because it reminds.
Total.
Looks will be first, and then how you can play with it will be second.
And then you'll just say like who won total.
Okay. All right. So looks.
Do we each get a vote?
Yes.
Yeah. So it looks on a scale 1 to 10. What would you give Keegan? What would you give Riley?
You go first.
I give on looks of it. I give Keegan 6.
That's exactly what I was gonna say.
And Riley, I would give an 8 on looks. Because hers looks like ice cream.
This looks like bubble gum, and I love bubble gum.
This is the real.
But I would give Riley. Yeah, that's pretty. I give Riley an 8 on bubble gum, and I'd give Keegan also an 8 because I love being able to see through it the way when he did the bubble. Oh, it's really hard because then I kind of get into the way they look, and they're so stinking cute.
Oh, that's good.
I already know him.
Oh, so how can I judge?
Huh.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you, Keegan would win because he made the biggest.
Hey, that's because his wouldn't activate and he kept having to add more glue because it wouldn't work because he added too much
I
water.
know, but you know, it also reminds me when he would be in our bathtub with all the bubbles.
Kind of does.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, wow.
No, we already did looks.
Okay, so now.
Riley,
Whoa.
Riley barely won on looks. Now we're into functionality. What are you gonna
Look
read?
at that.
I'm just using my rest
I
one.
gotta see her bubble. I think Keegan's got a great bubble.
Well, it's great functionality too.
Whoa. Look at that baby.
Whoa!
Let Riley get ready.
Ooh,
I'm ready.
number 15.
So did.
Riley, do you want us to call back in like 15 minutes?
One.
Whoa! Keegan!
Wait.
Yes!
But look at this. Look at this, guys.
I won with the biggest bubble.
Keegan, she is totally bubbling you.
Who won?
One, go! Whoa!
There's
You
Riley.
can't even see mine how big it is.
Oh,
The camera's not even big enough.
Ready?
RC, go.
I won. He can't even make a bubble. I won.
I'm throwing this away.
Riley won this one.
Yeah.
Keegan.
That's unfair. I shouldn't even have gone to competition.
You had like a head start. In all fairness and being totally objective, I think Riley got you, Keegan.
Yeah, sorry,
She
Nancy.
had the ice cream look. And secondly, she
I
made
love
bigger
the.
bubbles.
This is not ice cream. This is more like a pig.
No, but the ice cream in the can was really good.
And I thought it looked like bubble gum, but I loved your snow globe.
I did too, but I love those bubbles coming out of there, man. That was good. So good job.
Both you guys did a
I love
great
the
job.
bubbles coming out of it.
Okay, guys. So we all know who won. Me. Cause it's like an obvious winner. Because this versus
Well, I
this.
don't know if it was obvious because his bubbles were really big in the beginning.
In the beginning, but now they're not. So
Now they're not. He's got deflated bubbles.
Well, you know what? Good luck next time, Mr. Keegan.
we'll have to do a part two.
I will win. I will. I think I have a secret weapon too.
All right, Sun Squad. So you guys get to vote your guys' opinions, cause I don't know what your guys' opinions are, but I know what mine is. It's mine.
Well, we gave you ours.
Oh, these judges are rigged. And now we need you guys, who are actually good voters, to vote down below because this is not fair. I declare a rematch.
I don't know if that's rematch worthy.
I don't know if that pig is able to stay in mud.
Okay,